Yeah, typical day in the Dominican. Everybody just relaxing, man, chilling. You know, sun is bright. So we got some footage basically today. You know what I mean? Gonna be some good footage. So Artie, what's up for today, man?
Oh, we're gonna go to Gualey. You know, it's a little bit dangerous, but now it's okay. Before, it used to be more dangerous, you know.
Okay.
And David Ortiz was born there. David Ortiz.
Okay, y'all get ready. Let's take a tour in the Gualey. They say the city of God. I heard it's one of the worstest hoods in the Dominican Republic. So I want y'all to bear with me and hopefully everything come out all right. So as I take my journey on this sky train and I go into Gualey, cause let me tell you something, when you go off the beaten path, you have to be willing to take risks. And if you're not willing to take a risk, then don't say that you go off the beaten path. Let's go.
Sir. So we about to take a trip in the hood. We're about to take a trip in the hood today, man. So we're gonna go in kind of the slums part of the DR. Over there, kind of check it out a little bit. Okay, so what you say about this town right here we in?
Yeah, this town used to be a little bit dangerous, you know. And now it's better, you know, it's quiet.
Okay, gotcha. So pretty much this town right here, this was a dangerous part of town.
Yeah.
You know, right? You know what I'm saying? We walked from here straight into the favelas. And at one time it was kind of dangerous, man, but it's pretty quiet now, you know? And this also with a famous baseball player, you know what I'm saying, from
Boston Red Sox.
Only problem in this situation, I don't know these guys. I hope this is not a setup.
So right now we going into the favelas, right?
Yeah, this is the favela.
Okay, this is the favela. So if y'all saw my story when I was in Dominican, not Dominican, I was in Brazil, the favela in Brazil. Okay, gotcha. Alright.
Dile que van a dar premio. Oye, míralo ahí. Tú no tienes que ser distinto, que ellos te pagan premio.
We taking a walk through the favelas, man. Dominican promoting at the same time.
Hey,
Oh, el amigo. ¿Qué teléfono?
Bobby.
So, you know, you see different So typical day, man.
Typical day in DR.
Typical day in DR.
Gualey, Gualey.
Gualey, Gualey. Y'all make sure y'all look it up, man.
Yo pensaba que esa era cosa tuya. Está bien, está bien. Yo pensaba que esa era cosa tuya y ponga la hija. Está trabajando.
Dale para acá de una vez. Claro, va a dejar bueno, va a dejar un gusto.
Yeah, man, so we're just kind of checking out the neighborhood a little bit, touring it, you know, seeing what's happening over here. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, worldwide traveling off the beaten path, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. We go all over the world, man. Welcome to the Dominican Republic.